Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about my city. I live in Tokyo in Japan, and in Tokyo there are many people, there's a lot of traffic, but there's not much nature. There's not much crime here. Tokyo is a very safe place to live. Is there much crime where you live? There are many restaurants here, and there are not many cheap restaurants. So most days I go to the supermarket and cook at home. It's really easy to get around in Tokyo because there are so many buses and taxis and trains. I usually take the train because it's fast and it's cheap. There is some bad weather here in Tokyo. Last week we had a big typhoon and it was pretty scary. There are not many rubbish bins here in Tokyo and it's really annoying. I usually take my rubbish home with me and recycle it there. I do love that there are many vending machines here in the city. There's one on every street corner. It's so convenient. I hope that one day you get to visit Tokyo too. There are many wonderful things to see and do. So tell me about where you live.